Budgerigar, the tiny talker. We begin small. The Budgerigar, often called the Budgie, is one of the most popular pet parrots in the world. Don't let its size fool you. This tiny bird can learn hundreds of words, mimic human speech, and even recognize patterns in sounds. In the wild, budgies live in massive flocks across Australia, moving like waves across the sky. Small body, massive personality. Lovebirds, the emotional pair. Next are the lovebirds. They are famous for one thing, bonding. Once a lovebird chooses a partner, it rarely leaves their side. They preen each other, feed each other, and communicate constantly. That deep emotional attachment is rare in the animal kingdom. But here, it is life. Bright, loud, and full of emotion. Lovebirds show that even small parrots can have deep connections. Conures, the chaotic comedians. Then we meet the conures. If parrots had personalities, the conures would be the comedians. They are loud, playful, and extremely social. They love attention and often act like clowns, hanging upside down, dancing, and screaming just to be noticed. But behind the chaos, they are intelligent learners. Conures thrive on interaction and can become deeply attached to humans. Amazon parrots, the master talkers. Now we enter something different, the Amazon parrot. This species is famous for one ability, speech. Clear, human-like, precise. Some Amazons can sing songs, imitate voices, and even replicate emotional tone. But they are not just talkers, they are thinkers. Highly intelligent, they require stimulation, or they become bored quickly. In the wild, they live in Central and South American forests. Loud, social, and expressive. Cockatoo, the emotional explosion. Now we reach emotion in its purest form, the cockatoo. These parrots are known for their crests, rising like emotional antennas. When excited, it rises. When scared, it rises. When angry, it rises. Cockatoos are extremely affectionate, sometimes too affectionate. They bond deeply with humans and can suffer emotionally if ignored. The genius. Now we meet the most intelligent parrot in the world, the African gray parrot. Studies show they can understand concepts like color, shape, numbers, and even basic logic. They don't just mimic words, they use them with context. Some can identify objects and answer questions accurately. This is not imitation. This is understanding. Calm, observant, precise. The African gray is often called the Einstein of parrots. Eclectus Parrot, the strange beauty. Now something unusual, the Eclectus Parrot. What makes it unique is extreme sexual dimorphism. Males are bright green, females are deep red and purple. For a long time, scientists thought they were two different species. Their feathers are almost hair-like, smooth and striking. Unlike loud parrots, Eclectus birds are calm and thoughtful. A quiet intelligence. Macaws, the giants of the sky. Now we reach the kings of parrots. The macaws, massive, colorful, powerful beaks built to crack the hardest nuts on Earth. They fly across the Amazon rainforest like living fire, blue, red, yellow, green. Macaws are highly social and incredibly loud. Their calls can travel miles through dense jungle. They live long lives, sometimes over 50 years. These are not just birds, they are legends of the sky. Kea, the mountain thinker. In the cold mountains of New Zealand lives a different kind of parrot, the Kea. Unlike tropical parrots, Keas survive in harsh alpine environments, and they are known for something shocking, curiosity. They investigate everything. Cars, bags, boots, anything new becomes a puzzle. They are intelligent problem solvers, sometimes even mischievous. Nature's experiment in intelligence and chaos. Kakapo, the flightless curiosity. Finally, the most unusual parrot of all, the Kakapo, a giant flightless nocturnal parrot. It cannot fly. Instead, it walks through forests of New Zealand at night. It has a strong smell, soft moss green feathers, and a personality that is surprisingly gentle. Once widespread, it is now critically endangered. Each kakapo is individually named and monitored. It is not just a species, it is a living from tiny budgies to giant macaws, from intelligent grays to strange flightless kakapos. Parrots are not just birds, they are personalities shaped by evolution. Some talk, some bond, some think. Some survive in impossible worlds, but all of them share one thing: a mind behind the eyes, and a voice that connects them to us.